Hey Goose,
Hey!
what are you doing?
We're getting ready for a hike for tomorrow from High Point all the way down to Delaware Water Gap.
So about 45 miles.
Yep,
How many days do you think we're going to do it in?
3. We're gonna try to do it in 3, but we have extra stuff just for 4.
All right. So what do we got here?
Okay, so first we have all of our food all together. This is our breakfast right here, or any type of snack we want. And this is our dinner, and these are our extras for a dessert, our coffee, and this is just for flavoring in our water. And these are just snacks to have for lunch or something like that.
Was mom was nice enough to divvy them out
Yep.
by day?
Each day, 3 or 4. And so we have some sugar right here, I think, right?
Nope, non-dairy creamer.
Is that really it?
Yep.
Oh. And then we have our mugs and a lighter for to light up this, which is our fuel tank for our food.
All right.
Or if we want to do our coffee.
So our stove situation here, right? Mm-hmm. We've got our fuel canister. We've got the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 camp stove.
Yep.
We got a Stanley, cheap budget Stanley cooking pot that boils enough for us to have for one full mountain house and or breakfast and coffee. What are those guys?
These are our sporks for our food, so we can eat out of the bag. And this is just for flavoring if we want it in our food, but I think that's mostly going to be for Dad because I'm probably not going to have that. And of course, that's our hot cocoa and coffee. This is our water, and then right here is our filters, so we can filter our water out when we have to resupply for our water.
All right.
And so is this, is to supply for water.
So we've got a Seanoke dirty water bag, and we're using the Sawyer Squeeze filter.
Yep.
So that we can filter all our own water on trail. We're bringing a little bit more water than most to start, so that we can make some good mileage the first day. Yeah. So we have to worry a little bit less about filtering water.
That was a crazy one. Oh, you filming? Okay, so we are back, and so we have some more stuff for our trip. These are all of our toiletries, and this is our poop shovel, as everyone uses to dig a hole. And how long does it have to be, Dad?
It's going to be 6 inches deep, 100 to 200 yards from the trail, and at least 100 yards away from any water source.
Exactly. So this is for our poop, so we can put dirt over it so no one gets stuck in it or anything like that. And
Nobody wants to get stuck in poop.
No one. And this is our first aid. So if anything happens bad, we can help ourselves just in case. And this is our hand sanitizer. And so we have our Lanier socks, and then we have our regular hiking socks. And this is just all of our clothes all together, and our flip-flops, and just for when we get our tent set up and stuff like that.
So we've got camp shoes. We've got liner socks with toes, the Njiji liner socks. We've got wool hiking socks. We've got our buffs and bandanas. We've got some camp clothes, some hiking clothes, some additional socks. So we're all set, right?
Right.
Awesome. All right, as it's going to be super, super warm out, we've got the Kelty 50s. So we've got some warm weather sleeping bags. We've got a Climate and an Outdoorsman inflatable sleeping pad. Trekology pillows. And we'll be staying inside the Big Agnes Frying Pan 3. So that there's a little extra room for both of us. And then these purple things are, as my wife prefers to call them, our bougie tushy pads. Right? Is that what Mom calls them?
Yeah.
Got our headlamps, both Princeton Tech, tent light, pocket knives, some Gorilla Tape, chargers for the old school GoPro and the new school GoPro, backup batteries.
I think we're ready for this hike. Let's do it.
And I suppose the most important part, right? Our backpacks.
Yep, we need those.
So I've got an Alps Mountaineering 90 liter, which is probably way too much than I need, but you go with what you've got. That's what I've got. It's comfortable. It packs out nice. And Janelle will be sporting an Ozark Trail 50 liter, which should just be exactly what she needs for what we're going to carry. A couple of Ascend trekking poles. Mine are carbon fiber. Hers are the Blue Ridge. And that pretty much is our kit. You excited?
Yes, I'm so excited. Tomorrow we're leaving at 5:45 in the morning. Woo!